All right, what's up, guys? So we're about to check out this brand new community built by KB out here on the south side. We're right off the 15 and Silverado Ranch, so really convenient to everything that you'll be needing to do here in Las Vegas. And today we're going to check out this model called the 2069. Now, this model is not offered in a lot of the KB communities that you see around the valley. So it's a pretty rare model, I would say. They only have it in about, I think she mentioned about 3 to 4 communities all around the valley. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, guys. So give you an idea of what your house would look like from the front. They offer 3 elevations here, so 2-car garage. You're gonna have nice pavers right here as your driveway. And as you can see right there, that's the I15 right there. And as much as I thought that would bother me, the noise is actually not that bad. Again, this is a brand new community, and they've already had 2 homeowners that just recently moved in. And according to the agent, the feedback has been the noise hasn't been that bad or doesn't bother them, especially once they're inside the house. So right when you walk in, got 9-foot ceilings. This is going to be the door to the garage that I can't open. Going to be your stairway to the 2nd floor. They've got it modeled with nice luxury vinyl planks right here. You got this nice kitchen with the beautiful island right there. They got the upgraded shaker cabinets. So again, we're over here on the 15 and Silverado Ranch area. So very centrally located, I would say. Now, the price over here, since it's a brand new community, and they actually have not started selling this specific model yet, but they're expecting this model to start at a base price of about in the mid 400s. So we're talking about 440, 450. Again, that doesn't include your lot premiums or any options you're going to be selecting to build the house. So let's walk over this way, get a view from the dining area. So they've got a nice dining table here. Looks like it fits 6. Give you a quick view from this side right here. So right this way is going to be the powder room. So they've kind of tucked the powder room over here on this side of the house. So a good sized powder room. You're going to have some extra storage right here, which having extra storage is always a plus. And overall, you've got a nice sized family room right here. You got 3 large windows right there. It's about 3 in the afternoon right now, so you can see it's letting in a lot of natural light. Over here, you've got this big 8x10 slider right here, which is always going to be upgrade, so keep that in mind. And here you can get an idea of how big these lots are. Now, some of the lots may be smaller than this. I believe this model is on one of the bigger lots. And also keep in mind, guys, when you're buying new, your backyard is not going to be landscaped, and you're going to be required to have it landscaped within at least 6 months. So walk over this way. I'm guessing this is going to be the pantry. Oh, huge pantry, good sized pantry. So in case you're familiar with KB, this model is very similar to the 1768 model, almost identical. Now they've made some changes. Looks like they've made that pantry a lot larger. You're gonna have nice quartz countertops over here. And again, a lot of times with KB right now, they are giving you 2 options. They usually have a fully spec'd out option, meaning all the options are already selected. It's a shorter build time, or you can build all the way from dirt up. Now doing that is typically about a 6 to 8 month build. And you really got to budget for that, because again, don't be fooled when you see these prices online, and because that's not the out the door price. That's going to be the base price, not including the lot premiums, not including what it's going to cost for the options that you select. Okay. So this is the laundry room. Washer and dryer is not going to be included. Got a little linen closet here. So a really good sized loft right here. Now this handrail right here, that's definitely going to be an upgrade. Without that, you just expect to have a pony wall right there. And to our left is going to be the primary bedroom, so we'll save that last. So let's check out the 3 bedrooms on this side. Okay. So we've got the first full bath. Got the tub shower combo. I like how they have the matching vinyl planks up here to match the downstairs. You've got the first spare bedroom. Pretty good size. Another thing to keep in mind with KB is if you are building from dirt, is thinking about all the electrical options that you're going to need. For example, these guys don't come with pre-wires for a ceiling fan. If you are planning to add a ceiling fan to your rooms, you need to specifically let them know that you want a pre-wire for a ceiling fan. So another good sized room. This one actually has a walk-in closet with a window, which is kind of nice. And a third spare bedroom. So I kind of like how all these bedrooms are clustered on this side. And that the primary bedroom is over here on this side. So it gives that a lot more privacy, a little separation. And over here upstairs, while downstairs has 9-foot ceilings, we have 8-foot ceilings upstairs. So we got 2 windows right here. They got it modeled with a nice large king-size bed. So it'll give you a really good perspective of how much room we have here. Here's a primary bath. You've got a door here. And believe it or not, having a door enclosed to the toilet is actually another upgrade. All right, let's check out this walk-in closet here. So a really good size closet, tons of space for clothes, shoes, storage. And right up there, that's going to be your access to the attic, which more than likely you'll never have to access, hopefully. So make sure you just let a professional access that when they need to. So we've got it modeled with a nice large walk-in shower here. You're going to have the dual sinks here, nice quartz countertop. Now the cool thing with KB, the quartz in your bathroom upstairs is all included. This is going to be your basic faucet right there. You're going to have the under-mounted sinks. They've got the shaker cabinets up here that matches the downstairs. So really nice, really nice. Again, this is the 2069 model. And again, if you're familiar with KB, it looks very, very similar to the 1768 model that they have. So let's go back downstairs and give you one last look of the living area. So a really beautiful home, really spacious. That 9-foot ceilings really makes a difference. So definitely always recommend if you're going to build and you have the option to do 9-foot ceilings, make sure you do. So let me know in the comments below what you think about this floor plan. And if you have any questions about this community or this floor plan, I'll have all the information along with my information down below. And don't hesitate to reach out. You can call, you can text, DM, email me, follow me all on my social media channels. And I look forward to meeting with you guys. All right, guys. See you guys on the next one.